Are you struggling with how to handle unsigned long values in Java? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of unsigned long values and how to work with them effectively. I totally get it. When you're used to working with signed values, switching to unsigned can feel like a daunting task. Many developers face this challenge, and it can be frustrating when things don't work as expected. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked about using unsigned long values in Java. They mentioned needing a range from 0 to 2 raised to the power of 64, but found that using the long wrapper only captures values up to long.max value. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? Java's long type is indeed signed, which means it can't handle values beyond long.max value. To work with larger numbers, you'll need to consider alternatives like big integer, which can handle arbitrary precision integers. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to effectively use big integer for your unsigned long needs. To handle unsigned long values in Java, the user should consider using the big integer class. This class can represent integers of any size, including values larger than long max value. First, the user needs to import the big integer class from the java.math package. This is essential for using the class in their code. Next, the user can create a big integer instance by passing a string representation of the number. This allows the user to work with very large unsigned values. The user can perform various arithmetic operations using big integer methods. For example, to add two big integer values, the user can use the add method. Finally, the user should remember that big integer is immutable. This means that every operation returns a new instance, so they need to assign the result to a new variable or the same variable. Fun fact, did you know that the largest prime number known has over 24 million digits? That's a lot of digits to handle, and big integer can do it. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from a user who suggests using the JOU library. This library provides wrapper types for unsigned integers in Java, which can be useful for your needs. These types extend java.lang.number and can be converted to higher-order primitive types and big integer. The latest version of JOU even uses bit shifting to fit unsigned long values into a regular long. Here's the tip I promised. Always use string representations when dealing with very large numbers in big integer. This will help you avoid any overflow issues. And there you have it. You now know how to work with unsigned long values in Java using big integer. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more programming tips and tricks. And remember, the world of coding is full of possibilities.